suspension is, I think it's technically a 4 and 5 Belltech drop, but because I went with the low pros on the 20s,
yeah,
instead of the full height, I've got at least an inch all the way around, lower again, so call it a 5 and 6.
Yeah.
Did slotted and drilled rotors, added the stabilizer that runs from the frame across down to the track bars in the rear end.
Yeah.
Tries to help keep her centered. And another thing too is it's got too much camber on it right now, like the way I had the camber set.
Oh, so your tires are being eaten?
They are being eaten. My fronts are bad, like you should look at them, they're just friggin' horrendous.
Oh, right there. Yo, that's bad.
Yeah.
That's bad news bears, man.
Yeah, that's terrible.
That's not safe.
No. What wear bars? Like, yeah, she's gone. So the whole idea is like, I like how it's set up with the camera. I did that on purpose, but now it's to the point where it's chewing tires so bad that
that's all right.
I'm gonna have to take some out of it.
Just get used tires all the time.
Well, that's what I do. I got another set to throw on it. I should really be putting them on it, but I wanted to get the rest of this season out of them.
Yeah, yeah. How wide are your tires in the back?
All the way around, they're the same size, 275s.
275.
Yeah.
It's like minimum 275. You get under that, you ain't going nowhere.
Right, the hook's really good, and it'll launch with 275s on it when the tires are good. In the state that they're in right now, it's squirrelier than hell. So I think in the future, like I've got another set of 275s that are going to go on for next summer.
You might as well put 315s.
That's what I'm thinking is in the future, I'll put 315s at least on the rear. Yeah.